People don't believe in transition, right? You got a segue. You got a segue. Okay. People don't believe in the Greek and Roman gods. Seeing this Dwayne Wade statue makes me believe in it even more. Why? Dwayne Wade was present and he approved of this statue. He was right there. The sculptor looked at him. He looked at the sculptor. They looked at the sculpture together and they said, yep, cool. Okay. Now, that is whatever size it is. Whatever size it is, it doesn't compare to the size of the Greek and Roman statues. Now, the Greek and Roman statues are very detailed. This right there makes me believe in it even more because if I was to ask you one of the most researched questions right now, if you look up for what's one of the most research how-to questions, one of the most researched how-to questions is how to draw. That's one. So you're telling me these Greek and Romans have very detailed statues that look way better than statues of current statues. And these are the old people. And you're gonna tell me that they didn't have a reference? They don't have something to look at? That they don't have a reference of what Zeus, Athena, Hercules, none of these people look like. But they have a very detailed statue. I would challenge you to draw your own character, make it up. I would then challenge you, if you feel like you can draw, I would then challenge you to make that character 3D and make a sculpture out of it and make it look better than the Romans and the Greeks did. Fact. Missouri. This happens to be a, now you can't see it on this one because this cigar pipe is 8 months old, but this one is a Missouri Meerschaum. Missouri Meerschaum corn cob. Crazy is at the state capitol. Because there is no way. Looking at the Dwayne Wade statue, that makes me believe in the Greek and Roman statue even more. And if you do not believe in the Greek and Romans, you think that whole thing is mythology, I would challenge you to find 100 people and see if they can build and sculpt out of pottery, out of clay, or out of wood, out of any fucking thing, especially rock, and say, yeah, I just want you to make up a character and make it look good and make it look realistic. Boy, I tell you, people nowadays can stand next to Dwayne Wade and say, yeah, this look just like you, and it don't look nothing like him. That statue don't look nothing like Dwayne Wade. And he was right there looking at it. They was looking at it together and they said, yep. Now you gonna tell me that the other ones is made up and they look way better? You telling me a make-believe character look way better? I'm just saying. Ain't nothing to the sun, right? They made this shit up. They was making shit up, bro. I tell you right now, find somebody to make some shit up to look better than that.